Creations once again. Today's activity is going to be something very simple, is where the kids get to identify the first letter of their name with a picture and their name. Okay, now the materials that you're going to use are very simple. It's clear contact paper, scissors, clear tape, craft sticks, library pockets, the pictures of your students, and some shapes. Now the first thing that you need to do is get a library pocket, okay? What you're going to go ahead and do is get the picture of your student, and then what I did, I typed my children's names, and I highlighted the first letter in red and then the rest of the letters in black. What you can also do, instead of just typing them, you can use a Sharpie, and again you do the first letter in red and the rest of the letters in black. Now after doing the pocket, you get the shape. Now some of these shapes have been not laminated, but I put clear contact paper, but as you can see, it looks similar to when you get your materials laminated. But instead of going to a teacher's store or taking them to the school, you bring the lamination to your house. So this is the clear contact paper. I buy it at Lakeshore. Now it's similar to the clear tape. So you're just going to go ahead and peel this off. You're going to get the shape. Put the shape on the clear contact. You fold it. You press on it. And of course you're going to cut around the edges. Finally, you're going to get a craft stick. And you're going to get the glue gun. If you guys have been watching my videos, I use the glue gun a lot and the black and red Sharpie. So you're going to get the craft stick, get the glue gun, and then you are going to glue the shape on the craft stick. And this is the final result. Now, on the craft stick, you're going to want to use a picture of your student and their name. And this is the final result. You see how I have the children's names on the poster board? And this is a foam poster board. I usually get it from the dollar store. And as you can see, I printed the first letter of their name. For instance, on Steve's, uppercase S in red, lowercase in black. And then I taped his name on it. And this is his picture with his name. And one activity that I like doing is putting their names down on the rug and then asking them to match their picture with the first letter of their name. Okay? Well, please stay tuned. I will be working on transitions pretty soon. And see you guys. Thank you.